April of 2026, that's the month the Permian Basin Behavioral Health Center is set to open after some design changes. But it's also just the first step of a bigger vision in the Midland, Odessa area and for surrounding communities. Tyler Dupnick has the story.
Along Highway 191, just south of the Noel, construction continues on the Permian Basin Behavioral Health Center.
The pad site is finished. They're doing underground utilities now. They'll be pouring concrete out there any day now, and it's really starting to look like a building is coming.
In this area, the 200-bed mental health facility is really just a start.
There is a big vision for what we call the Beacon, which is a development that's at least 250 acres. We're actively talking about the possibility of a regional cancer center. We expect a lot of growth. We see a lot of outmigration of cancer cases from the region, and we think that we might be able to keep more of it home if we had a little bit of expanded capacity. So we'll see. But that's certainly one of the early ideas we're exploring.
In order to handle expansion, more infrastructure is needed. President of the PBBHS, Russell Myers, is asking Midland County to help in a later budget to pay for their initial road entrance that heads east off of FM 1788.
1788, as you know, is really busy, and there's no signal between 191 and the airport, and this will give us the ability to put the road far enough from 191 that we can put a signal there. So it'll change access to that property. It'll allow you, if you're southbound on 1788, to turn left safely.
That would be phase one of planned infrastructure improvements for what the future could look like.
But what we hope is we develop a really diverse community there of healthcare providers and educational providers, people at the intersection of healthcare and education, teaching nurses and psychiatric personnel and physicians in all different specialties, and also practicing there and giving services to patients.
And providing services to patients at the PB Behavioral Health Center is the beginning for the Beacon.
What we hope is that we create a place to go, somebody to call, some place where we can make it clear to the community that if you think you have a concern, if you call us, if you show up at our crisis center, we're going to get you to the care you need.
Tyler Dupnick, News West 9, Midland County.